Yeah, hi. Myself Sudeepta Chaudhuri. I have now almost 20 years of experience in the field of analytics, economic research, market research, and also in some bit of education and academics and Indian Army. So with this background of multiple areas, I have set up the overall analytics ecosystem for Idea Cellular Limited, the telecom major in India, and it has a huge subscriber base, and as you know, telecom itself is going through a lot of upheavals and a lot of market competition. So it was really nice journey that we had in analytics in that sphere. Now currently I'm heading the BI and advanced analytics in Vodafone Idea. It's a journey from the beginning, because the thing is that it started with the absolute zero. That means we didn't even have a proper warehouse in place for the Idea Cellular. From there, we went about creating the definitions of the different KPIs, and over the last a decade or so, 10 years or so, we have got the machine learning algos taking over the campaigns, and now we are in a situation wherein all these are automated. I mean to say, starting from the data pulling in, data structuring and data cleaning, then the data model building, model development, model deployment, and even the model tracking and the campaign performance tracking. Everything is automated, and we are able to get the whole thing done in a short span of time. And we are seeing this is becoming a part of the DNA of the whole organization, wherein all the campaigns are based on the analytical model findings, and we are able to bring value on the table. And that's the reason we are able to make this space. When you talk about the models in the area of churn is the last step, but there are multiple steps that goes behind the customer's life cycle or the customer's journey before we comment and finally get the churn. So there can be service churn, you can be churning out from one particular service, you can be churning out from the overall service, you can be bringing your revenue down. There are a lot of different colors of churn. So the models are built for each and every different types of this color, and then it addresses all these different areas. The thing is, Singapore obviously has gone through a lot of changes in the overall period of time, and now there are a lot of government controls that are coming in place of certain areas. So we see that the Singapore's big strides it has made will be obviously going forward, but that market is a pretty small market. So I'm sure in the telecom domain also there will be a huge amount of competition, and how it sustains this and how it thrives in this highly competitive market with a small market in place is going to be seen.